Right, beautiful people, I have one more challenge for you here. You need to write a C program that is going to display different message for different age range. So if the person is aged between 0 to 12, you need to show child. If the person age is between 13 to 17, it's going to be teenager. Then for 18 to 59, it's going to be adult. Then if the person age is 60 or 60 plus, then we are going to show senior citizen. So you can pause the video and you can solve the problem. If you cannot do it, no problem, I'm going to do it anyway. We already did a similar kind of problem earlier, and if you recall, that was the voting system. So let me find out that code here, and then I can copy paste few things from there. So we need to get the user age, and also we need to validate the user age. So I can copy and paste this part of the code and paste it here, and then we can change a little bit where needed. So here we're basically taking the user input as age, and then we are checking whether the age is valid or not. And then now we need to check different age group here. So if the person age between 0 to 12, so what we can do, there are many ways we can do it. So let's say if the person age is greater than or equal 0, and here we are setting the boundary. If the age is less than or equal to 12, then we can say the person is child. That's all. And now I can copy paste, but let me do it real quick here. Let me just put it like this, pasting few more times. Okay, let's continue. So I have done the first one, then the next one is going to be for teenager, and the age range is between 13 to 17. So here I'm going to put 13 and then 17. Of course, I can do it many ways, but let's keep it like simple. So we are, setting the initial boundary here and the final boundary here. So age is going to be 0 or greater than 0, then less than 12 or equal to 12. All right. Here between 13 to 17 is teenager. Then for adult, it's going to be 18 to 59. So let me just paste it here, and then let's correct the age, 18 to 59. All right. And now that we are done, the last part will be, let me go at the top here. It's going to be if the person age is 60 plus, then it's going to be senior citizen. So of course, the only one left is senior citizen here. All right. Now let's run this program and let's test this one out. Let's see whether it does work. So I'm going to compile and run here. And of course, it's going to ask us to give the age. So here I'm going to give the age, let's say 2, then it's going to be the child group, of course, and it does work. I'm going to run it again. This time I will try the teenager. So let's see if I give 13, it should show us teenager, which does. And then I'm going to run it again. This time I will try the adult one. So let's see if I give 59, that should be adult, and of course it does show here. And the last one is going to be for senior citizen. So let's see if I give 65, it does work for the senior citizen as well. So we have tested this one out. Also, we have checked the validity of the user age. Let's say if I give -2 here, in this case, it shows invalid age. Please enter a valid age.